अपोजिशन लीडर राहुल गांधी अपने 3 दिन के दौरे पर अमेरिका के शहर डैलस पहुंचे। एयरपोर्ट पर अमेरिका में मौजूद भारतीयों ने राहुल गांधी का पुरजोश अंदाज में इस्तकबाल करते हुए इंडिया इंडिया के नारे लगाए। राहुल गांधी अपने इस 3 दिन के दौरे के दौरान कई प्रोग्राम्स में हिस्सा लेंगे। इन प्रोग्राम्स में ओवरसीज कांग्रेस की जानिब से राहुल गांधी के एजाज में ईशैया भी शामिल है। आइए देखते हैं तफसीली रिपोर्ट। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, अतराफ टीवी उर्दू न्यूज़।
That every single thing coming out of my mouth is actually things people have said to me. And the most beautiful example of this was this slogan that came, which is "Nafrat ke bazaar mein mohabbat ki dukaan khol de," right? Now you're clapping, but the slogan did not come. It was not my slogan, right? It was not even a slogan of the organizers. It was a guy who came, I saw him, and he was walking with us, and there was a rope which used to surround us, and he was trying to come in, and he couldn't come in. The police would beat him. So I saw him once there, then I saw him somewhere else. And then I told Alankar, who's standing there, I said, "Dekho, usko le aao." So anyway, Alankar went looking for him, he had disappeared. Then after some time he came out, he charged through the police, and then he pointed at me like that. And he said, "मैं जानता हूँ आप क्या कर रहे हो, मैं जानता हूँ आप क्या कर रहे हो." So I said, "क्या कर रहा हूँ?" He said, "आप नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोल रहे हो." So then I realized that this is not me. This is the sentiment of the crowd that is speaking. And so that would happen again and again. It would happen sometime. Once it happened when a woman came up to me, held my hand, was walking, and I could feel that something was wrong with the way she was holding my hand. So I said, "क्या हुआ?" She said, "वो मुझे मार रहा है." I said, "कौन मार रहा है?" He said, "मेरा पति मार रहा है." तो I said, "मतलब?" She said, "नहीं, वो अभी मुझे मार रहा था, मैं भाग के आई हूँ." So I said, "तो क्या करूं?" I said, "पुलिस वालों को बताएं?" She said, "नहीं नहीं नहीं, पुलिस वालों को मत बता." I said, "क्यों?" She said, "और मारेगा." Now, that's a sentiment of thousands and thousands. I realize that's a sentiment of thousands and thousands of women. That they're being mistreated, they're being treated violently, but they can't say anything. It's hidden. Right? So now when I'm speaking to you right now, I'm saying these things to you, it's not me. It's that girl who's saying it to you. I just transmitted it. So that's the job, in my view, of a politician, is to listen to sentiment, to understand sentiment deeply, and then to give it to other people, right? Like I can see the faces here of the women versus the men, and when I'm saying that, I can see the faces of the women are different. They're reacting completely differently to what I said because they're understanding that. They're like, "Oh yeah, I've been through that before," right? So that's the idea. The idea is not that Rahul Gandhi has some fantastic vision for the country and now he's going to project the vision to the country. The idea is, what is the country saying? What is the country feeling?
I'd like to welcome all of you here and wish you happy Onam and happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I was listening to Mohinderji's speech, and he was describing in detail what the job of the leader of the opposition is. He said, opposing the government in parliament. He said, not letting them run a dictatorship. And he gave a list of 3 or 4 things that define what a leader of opposition is supposed to do. This is true. One can say that those are all elements of the job. But while he was speaking, I was thinking to myself, actually, that is not really my role. Those are maybe my responsibilities. But my role is broader and bigger than that, and in many ways simpler than that. And while he was speaking, I thought to myself, if I'm going to speak to people of Dallas, I need to be clear about what my role is. And so I'd like to tell you that I believe my role is injecting the values of love, respect, and humility in Indian politics. I think what is missing in our political system and across parties, love, respect, and humility. Love to all human beings, not necessarily only of one religion, one community, one caste, one state, or to those who speak one language. Respect to everybody who is trying to build an India, not just the most powerful, but the weakest. And humility, not in others, but in oneself. Thank you. And I'd like to also tell you that it's important that the ideas you carry of humility, of affection, of respect, you spread them in our community here and also among the people of India. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Thank you.
अतराफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ।
इस न्यूज को स्पॉन्सर किया है थीम प्रोडक्शन, क्रिएटिव इवेंट मैनेजमेंट, टेंट हाउस इवेंट्स डेकोरेशंस, बैंगलोर, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद। कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स 9986544971।